Click.
Yep.
Okay, hey guys, just want to do a quick maintenance video. I know how much people hate maintenance, but moving parts and certain parts need maintenance. So basically, if you have our off the turnbuckle hood latches, these have been on here for a couple years, and Nate's done a really good job of keeping them nice, but basically you're going to have springs in here for the detent, the balls, all that stuff, right? But if you don't lubricate these, you know, they're gonna fail, or they become really crusty, really hard to deal with. Or if you live in like winter areas, they can freeze. So you want a bit of a barrier between those two. So you can do anything you want, like PB Blaster. We got some WD-40 here real quick. So basically all you want to do, just give it a couple of those shots, rub it around there, go back to the pin, like the actual depressor of the button, spray it in there, you know, rub it around, just, you know, make sure it circulates all through the pin, okay? And then once that you feel like you've done a good job there, just, you know, clean it off. And that's going to take care of the pin. So that should be a nice buffer to any salt, sand, snow. Obviously, you know, the better maintenance you do, the better it's going to turn out for you. So you're going to do it in the depressor button. You're going to do it where the ball detents and where the pin's coming out on top here. But you'll see it if you already own a set. And that's really it. You want to do that a couple times a year at least. Same with the stainless balls and rod ends. Basically, you're going to get a buildup. So you can either do the same thing. You could squirt a little WD-40 in a rag. You can move around. Clean your balls. You know, in and out, whatever makes you comfortable. But yeah, you want to get in there, clean all that stuff off. You're going to get a bit of a buildup here and there. It really depends on where you live, the worse it's going to get. If not, you can an isopropyl wipe, or you can get an alcohol wipe. And that's really going to take care of it and keep your hood latches nice and clean and looking good for all those show and shines and stuff. All right, I'm going to find my little switch and turn it off. Thanks.